Loose main drain cover in your pool? Let's fix it up. Use a pocket knife, cut this pool putty straight down so you got an even ratio. Watch to the end, you'll see how far this goes. I always like to mix the putty before I get in the pool. Lets it get nice and firm before we use it. Now we're gonna take this nylon brush and brush away all the putty from the last repairs that didn't work. This homeowner put putty everywhere, but not in the holes. You will see the murkiness coming up. When you brush this, it turns into a white cloud. It's really slick, and we want to get all of that off of there so our putty will adhere. So you see down there how there's two holes. There's a hole right here, and there's a hole right there. And then see how those right there
are blocked off.
There's nothing. So you could drill new holes. We need an underwater drill. You got it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take that putty, I'm gonna shove it inside those holes, and then we're gonna screw it in, and then that putty will be like rock solid. But the only problem is it might be really hard to take this drain out if they ever have to. Let's probably see how much I made. I made way too much. With this putty, I'm putting it in the hole and forcing it in with my thumb. Putting a little tiny piece on top of it and pushing it in further. We want to gum up that hole completely with putty. Now it's time to put on our main drain cover. We have the screws already in the holes. This is the toughest part, just getting them to line up. If the screw pops out, put fresh putty in it. Just go for it. Try and line it up as best you can and try and screw them in. Hold the main drain in place as you're screwing one and then the other. Put as much force as you can so it doesn't flop around. You want to get both screws seated before you come up for air if possible. Do not over tighten the screws. Once they stop, check the main drain to make sure it's tight. I'm Spencer, this is Bowie. There's a new video for you to watch right here, and please subscribe right here. Thank you so much, we'll see you next week.